You can drink it as a tea once in a while. You don't want to do too much. It can be hard on your kidneys. Excuse me, it can be hard on your liver. Show you how I store my tea. A darker jar would be better. I don't happen to have some, and I don't really want to take my antique jars and paint them dark. But I put this in a somewhat light proof jar, and then I put it in the cupboard. I don't store it in light. Don't store any of your herbs in a sunlit location. I know it looks pretty, but it is not safe, okay? Sunlight, the photons in sunlight are extremely strong, and they can decay your plant material even faster. So all your herbs, even you know, if you jar up some green beans, store them in the dark pantry back there. Don't store them in the light. So there you go. A year's supply of creosote tea. The lid is, I don't know, peanut butter, mayonnaise, whatever. Recycle what I can, reuse, okay? Another thing in these nice jars, Arizona fan palm fruit. Delicious, really nice to make into a jelly, and it's almost May, and I'm not going to be turning on that stove back there and making jelly. So I jarred it up, and next fall, when I want a little bit of heat in the house, that's when I'm going to turn this into jelly. So meanwhile, I store it in, you know, sort of light-proof, air-proof, air-resistant, whatever conditions. So also a jar like this will keep the moths out, the pantry moths. Pantry moths love things like fruits and vegetables, nice sweet things. So canning jars are a wonderful way to store your dry goods. Okay, so back to creosote tea. Thank you for watching. We would love it if you like and subscribe to us. Savor the Southwest. Now, thing I have in my jars. I harvested a bunch of Washingtonia or desert dates, Arizona date palm, fan palm, Arizona fan palm.